Good morning. It is my second day here in Dubai at the Atlantis. I just thought I'd show you my rooms. I'm in a Imperial Club room, which is kind of the second level of room beyond the basic one. And the Imperial Club means that you get access to the lounges, like all day for food, and access to the water parks and things like that. That's my alarm going off. So I'll show you around. I really can't recommend Imperial Club more because for the extra you're paying to be that one level up, you're getting all day access to food and drink. So you definitely save more than it costs to be in the Imperial Club, if that makes sense. So I'll show you around the room. So first of all, this is my view. So I'm on the 15th floor and I'm in the East Tower. So the Atlantis basically has this West Tower, and then this is the East Tower that we're in, and then down there that's the center, and then you've got the main pool and the beach down there. I think this is definitely the best view in terms of being the best side to stay in the hotel. And you can see, I think this is the Jumeirah area over there that I can see, and then the Burj Khalifa area is way to the left. We can't see that from my room. The only negative thing is that in the evening they play music really loud down here, so you can hear it in your room. I managed to sleep through that. That doesn't really bother me, but I know for some people that would annoy them. So into the room, so I have two double beds in my room. There was options to have a king on a lower floor, but I went for the doubles. So we've got a nice chair over there, and everything sort of has like a shell, coral type theme to it. And I've been sleeping in this bed. We have a table over here by the window and mirror. TV with drawers, and these sliding doors that open up into the bathroom. So we have a full-length mirror here, and then here there's like the fridge, and every day they give you water. And it's quite funny, it's actually Atlantis, the palm water. They have their own branded water, which is quite intense. And these chocolates, I think, were like a welcome gift, and there was some fruit here as well. So into the bathroom, so there's a full-size bath and a shower area as well, separate toilet, and then a really nice big basin to get ready at. And these really comfy, gorgeous robes that are like super soft cotton. And I have to say that the bedding is so soft, it's so comfy. The pillows are amazing. I think it's the best bed in terms of comfort and the quality of the sheets that I've ever stayed in, because often I find that the beds aren't very comfy and the pillows aren't very squishy, but the cotton's really nice. They're just perfect. The pillows are amazing. The only negative thing I've found with this room is that it's a joining room connected to the one next door, and I think they all are like that. They're all joining rooms, and basically I can hear every word that's happening in the room next door. The door, has gaps underneath it to the side, and it's as if they're right here in my room. So I was woken up on the first night by a whole family of super excited young children. So I think that's quite, considering the amount of effort they've put into the rooms and the hotel, it seems something quite obvious. They should get soundproof doors, because you might not know the people that you're connected to. So I've actually had to take a towel and block the area underneath the door to try and stop the sound coming through. But apart from that, I really like this room. It's really spacious, like I say, comfy bed. It's great. I mean, there's only one of me staying in here, so it's really good. So I'm going to go down to breakfast now to the lounge club for the Imperial Club people and have my breakfast.